Hello, welcome to the Dezperate Actor YouTube channel. It's me, Steve Des from Dezperateactor.com, and today we're going to be talking about book the job without your agent. Should they get paid? Let's answer that incredible question that I get thrown a lot. So I just booked a job and I did it through a friend of mine, a production friend of mine, or I did it by myself. So it wasn't my agent's fault to actually get this job. Should they get a cut of my paycheck? In my humble opinion, I would say no. They should not get paid. Your agents, managers, your representation should get paid for their efforts. Because remember, as actors, sometimes we have this preconceived notion of I'm working for my agent or I am working for my manager. So it's my duty to, do everything they tell me to do, and whenever I work, they get paid. And it's not like that. It's quite the opposite. They are working for you. Your agent is working for you, your manager is working for you, your publicist is working for you, your people, your team are working for you. So you're the boss here in this situation, not the other way around. And how they should be getting paid is by their efforts of getting you in the room. So by you getting those auditions, by you actually going to those auditions and crushing it and getting that call back, and from that call back getting that avail, and from that avail getting booked, now from that booking, they're gonna get a cut from that. And sometimes that cut is already tied into the actual role, into the actual paycheck. So you're gonna get your cut plus the 10% that your agent is gonna get, And if you have a manager, then that's a different dynamic depending on what's the contract that you sign with them. But technically they can take off to 15%. Just depends on what type of agreement you did with them. So should they get paid from you self-submitting yourself and putting yourself out there? In my humble opinion, no. But that is because you're the one putting the efforts. You're the one putting yourself out there in order to actually get those paychecks. Because remember, your life is your life. Nobody's going to care about your career, about your life, about your goals, about your struggles, about everything that goes through in your life more than you. Not even your boyfriend or girlfriend, not even your husband or your wife, not even your mom or your dad. They can care, they can love you and everything, but your career is 1,000% your responsibility. The moves that you make in the industry and in the business are 100% your responsibility. What your team does is an added bonus to it. So if you're a person that you take your career by your hands, and I suggest everybody to do so, you should be constantly working, whether your team is working for you or not. And you should always have a team that's constantly rooting for you, that is constantly sending you to work, that is constantly there to answer your phone calls. And if you don't feel that that's happening, that's being reciprocated in the relationship that you're in, you should leave that relationship, or you should at least consider making that relationship better before you actually leave them. But you should always be around people that want to see you grow, that want to see you succeed, that want to see you get better within this career and industry. Because sometimes it could feel very lonely. Sometimes it could feel very competitive. Sometimes it could feel like you are by yourself during all these times. But you're not. And the more you realize that you have all the power to fully be capable of achieving everything you ever wanted to accomplish within the industry, with or without representation, the more easier your career is going to be. And if you ever need a step-by-step blueprint guide, definitely check out our DesperateActor.com right there. We have programs available for you, from cracking the Hollywood code, that's our beginner masterclass and program for you to actually see the step-by-steps of how to break into the industry, or our supercharged edition, where we go really into details on how to actually approach these agents, how to contact them, how to get their information, alongside how to overall market yourself as an actor and as an entertainer in the Hollywood world and outside the Hollywood world, because the entertainment industry is so vast right now that there's opportunities in Atlanta and London, in Colombia, in Texas, in New York, in California, and so many different places around the world that you can make this happen. So definitely check out Dezperateactor.com for more information right there for free and premium resources that we got there available for you. Don't forget to like this video, share with a friend or two that might need it more than you do, subscribe, and make sure to leave in the comments below what are the things that you are applying from this video today, okay? Leave it in the comments below. And that's pretty much it. I'll catch you on the next one. Take care and have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.